kutatua.
Riwruoge migepe makedo ne ratich oganda koro wuok kendo jiwo piny owacho kuom okang' mar kedo gi yedhe mamero ji, ka giwacho ni mano e yo makende mabiro neno ni oduok chien kwan oganda ma yedhe mamero ji rocho ngimagi. Ka gitwak gi jofwamb boma ma Kisumu, riwruoge otelnegi gi Blue Cross dwaro ni piny owacho omed nengo kong'o kochakore shillings 56 kadhi malo nyaka yo makare majiwo lwenj kedo gi yedhe mamero ji e pacho ka. E kinde no bende gidwaro ni tend counties olu chike matayo puodho kuonde ma iuse yedhe, kinde ma bende gidwaro ni omalesen ute ma uso yedhe go e alwora mag skunde kod kuonde ma oganda odakie.
Each county now has Alcoholic Drinks Act, like Kisumu has Kisumu County Alcoholic Drinks Act, which also talks about the distance of an alcohol premises next to a school. It should be 300 meters away from the schools. But this has not been done. A lot of bars, a lot of wines and spirits have been licensed next to schools. So we are looking at a total ban of alcohol selling within 300-meter radius of schools and institutions of learning, churches, and areas frequented by children which expose vulnerable population to alcohol. As we heard, the government had announced on issues of also wines and spirits which have been turned into bars into residential areas, which put the children and the youth at risk.
Enhanced and increased excise taxes on alcoholic drinks and beverages on the grounds of them being unhealthy products. The increase in excise tax of alcoholic drinks is considered the most effective way of addressing the problem and ensuring that we prevent the young population or the young people from initiating